In this video, I will show you how to use the Excel ISEVEN function along with some examples and important things to remember while using it. So let's get started. The Excel ISEVEN function returns true if the number is even or false when the number is an odd number. Here is the syntax of the ISEVEN function. This function takes only one argument, which is the number we want to test. The argument number can be any numeric value or a cell reference. For example, this ISEVEN formula will return true because the argument number is even. This ISEVEN formula will return false because the argument number is an odd number. Instead of a numeric value, we can also pass cell reference to the ISEVEN function like this. For example, this ISEVEN formula will return false as the cell B3 contains an odd number, while this ISEVEN formula will return true because the cell B4 contains an even number. The ISEVEN function returns a value error if the argument is not a numeric value. For example, in this Excel sheet, the B4 cell contains a text value. So this ISEVEN formula will return a value error because the cell B4 does not contain a numeric value. In the case of a decimal number, the ISEVEN function truncates the number and the decimal portion is ignored. For example, in this ISEVEN formula, the argument number 5.4 is a decimal number. This ISEVEN function truncates this number to 5 by discarding the decimal portion 0.4 and then returns false as the number 5 is not an even number. While this ISEVEN formula will return true because the integer portion of this number 4.86 is 4, which is an even number. The ISEVEN function is very useful when we want to highlight even numbers, highlight even rows, or in the calculations based on whether the number is even or not. We can use the ISEVEN function to highlight even rows in an Excel sheet. Let's start by selecting all the cells and then click on the conditional formatting option from the top ribbon. Now click on the New Rule menu item. Select the Use a Formula to determine which cells to format option. Type this formula in the Edit Rule description text box. This formula will return true for all the even numbered rows and false for the odd numbered rows. Click the Format button and then go to the Fill tab. Select the desired background color from here and then click the OK button. Click the OK button to close the dialog box. As you can see, all the even numbered rows like 2, 4 and 6 have the background color we selected, while the odd numbered rows do not. In this Excel sheet, there are some numbers in this column and I want to highlight the even numbers from it. We can do that using the ISEVEN function and the conditional formatting. Let's first select all the numbers and then click on the conditional formatting option from the ribbon. Now click on the New Rule menu item. Select the Use a Formula to determine which cells to format option. Type this formula in the Edit Rule description text box. This formula will return true for all the cells containing an even number. Click the Format button and then go to the Fill tab. Select the desired background color from here and then click the OK button. Whenever this formula returns true for a cell in the selected range, the selected background color will be applied to that cell. Click the OK button to close the dialog box. As you can see, all the even numbers are now highlighted with the background color we selected. Watch this video to learn how to use the ISOD function in Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.